Nebraska is blessed with an abundance of resources
Clean water, fertile soil, open spaces,
and the talent and spirit to transform these resources into innovation, economic vitality, and success across the state.
But our most precious resource is the exuberance, enthusiasm, and potential of the youth of Nebraska,
in whom we will entrust the stewardship of our state and its resources in the decades ahead.
There is one organization that is focused squarely on the development, education, and inspiration of the young people who will lead change for our state in the next generation.
Nebraska 4-H.
In Nebraska, 1 out of every 3 eligible youth participates in 4-H.
1 out of every 3 Nebraskans between the ages of 9 and 19.
That's more than 140,000 young Nebraskans.
140,000.
From border to border,
East to west,
north to south,
4-H is in all 93 Nebraska counties.
from urban centers
To rural communities,
from the heartland.
to the heart of the city.
In fact, more than half of Nebraska 4-H youth are in Nebraska's metro areas.
More than half. Wow.
4-H is the single largest youth development organization in Nebraska.
The largest in the world, actually.
72 countries.
And 60 million 4-H alumni around the globe.
In Nebraska, 4-H involves 140,000 young people each year,
And more than 12,000 volunteers.
all coordinated by extension staff at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.
Talk about statewide impact.
Talk about energy.
Today's 4-H is strongly rooted in tradition,
Its core values and mission have remained constant and steadfast.
but the emphasis has changed dramatically, just as the world around us has changed.
Today's 4-H is focused on what young people need to succeed in the future.
On what Nebraska needs to succeed in the future.
Science, engineering, technology,
Leadership, citizenship, involvement,
agricultural literacy, career exploration, critical thinking,
personal responsibility, collaboration, creativity,
entrepreneurship, innovation, achievement.
healthy lifestyles, good choices, self-respect.
These are the skills, talents, and characteristics we want our young people to have.
That we want our next generation of leaders to have.
It's what Nebraska's young people need to be productive, proactive, progressive,
What Nebraska needs to stay competitive, vigorous, vital.
and that's exactly where 4-H is focused,
Harnessing the power of young people,
empowering them to take charge of their lives,
their future.
our future.
Inspiring Nebraska youth.
This is what 4-H does.
Inspiring Nebraska youth to create businesses, lead communities, and become productive citizens.
Inspiring Nebraska youth.
This is what Nebraska 4-H creates.
Young people who are an inspiration to their peers, their communities, their entire state.
Nebraska youth are a valuable resource for our future.
Nebraska youth are a valuable resource for today.
This is Nebraska 4-H.
Inspiring today's Nebraska youth to lead Nebraska tomorrow.